Okay guys, now we are going to learn about question number 8, and this is an interesting question to understand. So just read the question. Relate the component of electric field. Okay, what is the meaning of component? Component means to solve the question along x-axis, along y-axis, along z-axis, along a certain direction, okay, to the change in electric potential. Okay, we have this formula. So I will just rewrite in a different form. So E is equals to negative dV over dA. This is particular area. And you need to know what is the meaning of partial differentiation. Then only we can solve in a different components. Partial differentiation. What is the meaning of partial differentiation? Partial differentiation says solve the value. Let's say we are solving x, then y and z becomes constant. I will write what I am saying. If we are solve for x, then y and z equals to constant. You need to solve like a constant value. Okay, so there are the three components Ex, that is negative curl V. This is called curl, C-U-R-L, curl V divided by curl x. Y component Ey is equals to negative curl V over curl y, and Ez equals to curl V over curl z. Okay guys, now we need to understand this question. Suppose the electric potential is given. So guys, we have the electric potential and you can observe this thing, that is in terms of x, y and z. Okay, which of the following expression describe the associated electric field in units of volt per meter? Okay, easy question. You need to find out this question in 3 steps. First you need to find Ex, then you need to find Ey, then you need to find Ez. Okay, first part, to find Ex. So guys, negative curl V over curl x. Now understand, negative curl over curl x. What is the value of V? Negative 5x square. I take this negative inside, this negative inside, negative 5x square, negative y and negative z. Okay, so just solve it. Negative, so because this is x, so solve this, it will become negative 10x y. I told you y is constant. I told you na, when you solve for y or z, when you are solving for x, y and z behaves like a constant. So derivative is 0, derivative is 0. So what you will get? Ex is equals to negative, negative, positive 10x. Clear guys? So this is only x-axis. This is only x-axis. Okay. Now step number 2. Solve for Ey. Ey is negative curl V over curl x, curl y, because we are solving along y-axis. Okay, negative curl over curl y bracket negative 5x square, negative y, negative z. Once you start solving curl over curl y, what you see? This will become 0. The first value will become 0. Okay, this value will become 0 because there is no y. For this one, negative 1. For z, it becomes 0. Do you understand? So what is the final value? Negative, negative 1. So you have value 1. Clear? Okay. And 1, even you can say this value Ey is equals to, you can say 1, or you can say curl y over curl y, which is equals to y bar. Clear? Okay. Similarly, solve for the z. So when you solve for Ez, the same thing, negative curl V over curl z equal to negative curl over curl z, negative 5x square, negative y, negative z. This becomes 0. First value becomes, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes negative 1. So what you get? Ez equals to Z bar. Clear? So we have all the three values. Okay, just assign them from equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. So what is the final value of electric field? Electric field is equals to 10x, or you can say x bar also, x bar plus y bar plus z bar. Clear? So your answer is, okay, check A, B, C, okay, your answer is D. Clear, guys? So like this, you need to solve these type of questions, because whenever they are asking for the components, this is the major word, component, or if they give you like in terms of x, y, z, you need to make a partial derivative, and partial derivative means whatever value you are solving. Let's say you are solving for x, then y and z kept constant. If you are solving for y, x and z kept constant, and if you are solving for z, x and y kept constant. Okay, guys? Okay.